or YouTube or just Google the Port Angeles-Sequim car wash man, motorhome wash man. Or you can Google my name, Timothy J. Douglas Sr. and referrals. So we're in Sequim, Washington. Just finished waxing, putting a brand new gel coat on this 35-footer. It's like, this is the biggest, it's huge. Oh, there's like 2 stories. But got through it. Enjoyed it. Took 8 hours. Started at 9 and get done at 5. I take like 3 5-minute breaks. I have a great diet, so that helps. This portion right here, it takes the most work, it gets the most abuse, and whoever waxed it before they only did half of it, so it needed it really bad. He took it to a motorhome dealer and had it done. Well, he bought it and had it done at the same time, and they didn't wax the whole thing for him. I don't know why. It cost him about $1,200 for that, to wax this at a dealership, or you know. And then they only did half of it. They didn't do the top part, and he was wondering why he couldn't get the bugs off of it and why it was oxidizing and the rest of it wasn't, and that's why. But now he doesn't have to worry about it. All gel coat on all of the plastic and rubber on the outside. I buffed it. I buffed the plastic. I buffed the rubber. All of it. I buffed the metal. I buffed everything. Everything got buffed. This too. I didn't buff the wheels though. I buffed this too. Look at that. Like it just came off the showroom floor. Gel coat and everything. Gel coat on this. The water is going to bead right off of everything that's gel coated. The water will bead right off of it, just like wax. It's a really good wax gel coat. Washed all the windows. Gel coat this portion too, and buffed it. Ultimate protection here is what we're doing. Definitely gel coat the stickers, keep them brand new. They need to be protected probably the most out of everything, because the sun will destroy them. The sun destroys black. The sun will destroy black. It has to be kept up at least once a year. So he'll be calling me back next September to do this. Lots of fun. 8 hours worth of fun. This will probably take about 2 or 3 days for an ordinary person. I did the roof too. It's all cleaned, and I'm not going to climb back up there. It's white. It's pure white up there on top. So just Google Timothy J. Douglas Sr. or Port Angeles-Sequim car wash man, motorhome wash man, and keep your motorhome, get it back restored. I'll restore it for you if it needs it, and I will keep it up for you. And I do these too. Trucks, cars. I'm a detailer. So you guys have a great day. It's Sunland in Sequim. Not so sunny today though.